ರೈಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೋಣ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಂಕಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಮಂಕಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರೋಪ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಮಂಕಿನ ಮರ ಹತ್ಸೋಣ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರೋಪ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇನೆ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೇಬಲ್ and I have a frictionless pulley here and one 5 kg mass is there. Standard question is that it's not an ordinary question. I have taken a standard question which is asked in your previous exams. Example ಕೇಳಿರೋ question ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 4 kg ಇದೆ. I have 5 kg and 4 kg of masses. 5 kg ಮತ್ತೆ 4 kg masses ಇದೆ. They are asking ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are asking us to find out acceleration. They are asking us to find out an acceleration. They're asking us to find out an acceleration of 5 kg box. Acceleration of 5 kg box. They're asking us to find out an acceleration of 5 kg box. They're asking us to find out an acceleration of 5 kg box. This is frictionless table. This is frictionless table, and this is frictionless pulley, ideal pulley. Frictionless table and frictionless pulley. They're asking us to find out an acceleration of box, 5 kg box. What you will do? Concept na? What you have to find? Acceleration find out mada tumba simple sa nimge. Acceleration find out madake ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We'll make it as a boundary system. Acceleration ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರ ಸರ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Each we will make a boundary system. The force very good for it. 50/9. What is the force which is acting here? The force which is acting here is downward force. It is equals to 50 Newton. 50 Newton. The force which is acting downwards is 50 Newton. Correct? 50 Newton is acting downwards. Chalana wala force is 50 minus opposing force is 0 is equals to mass 5 plus 4 9 into 8. Therefore, A is equals to 50/5. 50/9 meter per second square. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ so that you will get an idea about that. Meter per second square. Right? Any doubt in this? I think no doubt. So optional ಏನಾದರೂ 50/9 ಇಲ್ದಾನೆ 50/9 ಇಲ್ದಾನೆ if they have taken it as 9.8 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 50 into 9.8 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. If they have given acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, check G is equals to 9.8 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Check G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Then instead of 10 we will take it as 9.8. Correct sir? Instead of 10 we will take it as 9.8. 5 into 9.8 approximately 50. 5 into 9.8 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Correct? Correct? Very good. Very good. So next question on acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it's very simple to find out for us. ಇದೇನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. We did this kind of questions. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ so ನೋಡೋಣ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll answer for this question. I have 3 boxes kept on a frictionless table. 3 boxes frictionless table. The mass of the first box is 2, 3 and 5 respectively. Either mass of 2 kg, either mass of 3 kg, either mass of 5 kg. The force is acting in this direction. In direction force is there. The force is 10 Newton. 10 Newton force is acting in this direction. They are asking us to find out tension T1. They're asking us to find out tension T1. Frictionless, inextensible, frictionless table. The boxes are kept on a table, and I am applying a force of 10 Newton in this direction. They are asking us to find out tension T1. T1 tension find out correct. They are asking us to find out tension T1. No, Mr. Punit, check ಮಾಡಿ. Acceleration what ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Super. Acceleration is 1. And tension 8 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? sir, very good. Tension 8 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Very good. Super. Acceleration 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Boundary system ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ complete. boundary system. Force which is responsible is 10 minus opposing force is 0 is equals to 5 plus 3 plus 2 10 A. Therefore A is equals to 1. If A is equals to 1, tension T1 is in this direction. Apply force 10 minus T1 is equals to 2 times of 1. Therefore T1 is equals to 8 Newton. Very good, sir. T1 is equals to 8 Newton. Right? So in box, yes. So ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಚಿಂದಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು 5 kg ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4.8 kg. AIEEE standard example period question on the rigid body support ಗೆ frictionless pulley ನಲ್ಲಿ masses add ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. M1 M2 are the masses. Tension ಈ direction ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So M1 is equals to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What the M1 value is that? 1 minute. Hello, what's the question? 1 minute. Yes, M1 is equal to 5 kg, M2 is equal to 4.8 kg. M1 is equals to 5 kg, M2 is equals to 4.8 kg. 4.8 kg. And G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. G is equals to 9.8 per meter square. 9.8 per meter per second square. So we have to find out an acceleration. A find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. A find out part.
0.8 sir. 0.8.
0.8. A ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 0.8 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Check ಮಾಡಿ. I want to find out an acceleration find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. 0.2 is right. Suppose 0.2 is right. Observe. ಇಲ್ಲಿ M1 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5 into 9.8. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 5 into 9.8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 4.8 into 9.8. 4.8 into 9.8. Who is greater here? This is greater. The object is moving. The entire system is moving in this direction. Correct? Entire system is moving after that. Force which is responsible for momentum is 5 into 9.8 minus opposing forces 4.8 into 9.8 is equals to, what is the mass? 5 plus 4.8. 5 plus 4.8 is ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9.8. 9.8 into A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9.8 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 9.8 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 5 minus 4.8 is equals to A. Therefore A is equals to 0.2 meter per second square. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 9.8 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 minus 4.8 is equals to A. Therefore A is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. Very good. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ತರದ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. These are the 3 problems which asked in your previous exams. 3 problems which asked in the previous exams. How much time we require to solve this? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಮಾಡಾಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. We know the answer. Right? So very simple questions related to boxes, related to connected bodies. So ನನಗನ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ connected bodies ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. Don't leave this connected bodies at any cost. If they ask anything, work out ಮಾಡಿ, calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Right? Shall we move to our concepts? Continue ಮಾಡೋಣ concept of. Yes sir. What is the concept today? Monkey problem. We'll solve monkey problem today. Monkey problem. Sir. Start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Serious ಬನ್ನಿ. Monkey problem. What is monkey problem? Monkey ಏನು problem? ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. Monkey So what is the monkey problem? Monkey climbing one concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Monkey descending with a rope one concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Monkey climb ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ one concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Monkey descending ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ one concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We will learn that, and they will ask you to find out the tension in the rope, or they may ask you to find out an acceleration in which the monkey is climbing the rope. It is very similar to your lift ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ acceleration ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ they will write lot of things related to a lift. ಸರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. acceleration up, true apparent weight will be greater than the true weight. It's very simple to solve the problem related to a lift. Velocity, variable, constant, acceleration up. We have only 4 cases. Remember the only 4 cases. Acceleration up, acceleration down, acceleration is equals to 0, acceleration is equals to g. Now the concepts that enough for to solve the problems related to a lift. Right? Also monkey climbing up first. Monkey climbing up monkey climbing up the rope. Monkey climbing up the rope. Up first problems ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೌನ್ ಬರೋಣ. Right, listen to me very carefully. Monkey climbing up ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು rigid support ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I will be having a rigid support. I will be having a thread or rope like selection ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು such a way that the rope should not break. First strength ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು rope ದು. So simple things sir, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇರೋದು, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬಳಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್? So then how to climb? I'll put a rope from the second floor. You had to hold the rope and you had to come for the second floor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ. What happens? How exactly we had to climb? Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. If I pull the rope downwards, tension will be created in the rope. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು 10 minutes ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If I pull the rope downwards, tension will be created up. That tension is greater than my weight. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. I'll repeat what exactly happens while climbing up. Climb ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I pull the rope downwards, tension will be created. That tension will be important on me. So if that tension is greater than my weight, ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. If the tension which is created in the rope is less than my weight, ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Right? Provided the strength of the rope should be strong. Original ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು rope. First thing, the rope should be original. ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ವೇಟ್ ತಡಿದಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ I cannot climb. The tension created pulls the body up, right sir? Very good. The tension which is created in the rope will pull the body up. Tension create ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It will affected on my body and I'll pull up. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, again I'll hold. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tension create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, I'll pull that down. Tension created, that tension will be important on me and I'll go up. If the tension is greater than me, my weight, then I'll go up. Implement the same for the monkey. Monkey go implement ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ which is greater than the weight of the monkey, then it will go up. Tension will be greater than the weight of the monkey, again it will go up. Tension will be greater than the monkey, again it will go up. So ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There will be a breaking tension. Tension break ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It will be having a maximum force which can I apply. There may be a possibility of break of that rope also. ಆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ರೋಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Are you getting my point? Still, where I can apply a tension, I can apply a tension I can apply a force on the ropes such a way that it's break ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳವರೆಗೂ until the breaking tension ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, TBR ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, tension breaking tension ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. I have to apply a force less than this. Correct? I have to apply a force less than this. If I apply a force greater than this, break ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. They'll give the tension break value and they'll ask you to find out the maximum acceleration of a monkey ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Maximum acceleration of a monkey. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Large amount of force apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ acceleration will be more. Correct? Large amount of force apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ acceleration will be more. If I want to get a maximum acceleration, I have to apply a force which is less than TB. If I want to get a maximum acceleration, I have to apply a force which is less than TB. Correct? So ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, I have to apply a force which is less than TB. If I apply a force less than TB, of course ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. We'll go full up, right? So of course we have to apply a force less than TB. Right, sir? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It's very simple. Don't take tension. Force is equal. Yeah, forces are. Which force, Puneet? Force equal. Equal ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I can apply this very much equal to this. Very much equal to this. If I apply more than this, break ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I can apply up to equal to this TB. Less than or equal to TB apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, yes, of course, I'll get a pull upward. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Are you getting my point? What the monkey will do? Listen to me now. What the monkey will do? Monkey ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See. In not one. Sir. No monkey. It's don't have any tension now. We have to find out the tension of the rope. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಗಿದೆ monkey ಆರಾಮ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದೆ. No monkey. It's moving up. Listen to me carefully. Let the mass of this monkey is equals to m. Mathematical formula ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let the mass of this monkey is equals to m. M mass ಇದ್ರೆ tension will be created in this direction. Of course, I agree with this. Tension will be created in this direction, and one more force will be created in this direction. That is m into g. Correct? M into g. The monkey has to move up. The acceleration is up. The monkey has to move up. Acceleration is up. Up to the acceleration of. You will find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. T minus mg is equals to ma. Correct? T चलाने वाला minus रुकने वाला mg is equals to ma. Therefore T is equals to ma plus mg. Therefore T is equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ m into g plus a. Very much equal to a lift when it is moving up. Sorry, acceleration up. Acceleration up ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. Can you remember that? Very good. We got the same formula. T is equals to m of g plus a. Acceleration up. T is equals to m of a plus m of g plus a. Tension will be more now. When it is moving up, tension will be more. Correct? Tension created. So if I want to calculate the tension, I use this formula. Right? So ಇದು ನಾನು ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? T breaking is equals to m of the monkey will not change. Then g of the acceleration due to gravity will also not change. Plus a will become maximum. Correct, sir? A maximum on the case. Tension is very much equal to breaking ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ. Tension is breaking ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ g a will be maximum. Any doubts, sir? Here? No doubt. Tension breaking ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ a maximum ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Tension breaking ಆಗಿದೆ. Tension breaking is equal ಆಗಿದೆ. Then a is maximum. Then monkey is moving with greater acceleration towards up. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? I'm applying a large amount of force ಅಂತ. ನಾ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಗಿಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ monkey acceleration ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಂಕಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ and they will ask you to find out the minimum time filter. Minimum time to require to climb this. If the length of this is equals to L, if the length of this is equals to L, they will ask you to find out the minimum time. Minimum time filter. How to find out the minimum time? We'll go for equation of motion. S is equals to ut plus half at square. We'll go for this. H is equal to ut plus half at square. Maximum A maximum half at square. So we have to find out. This will be equals to 0, correct? U is equals to 0. Initial velocity of the monkey will be 0. S will be equals to length. L is equals to half into A max into T square. A max into T square. I want to find the value for T square. T square is equal to 2 times of L divided by A max. Therefore, T is equals to 2 times of L divided by A max under root. Very, very important formula. So this is the formula to find out T minimum. If I want to find out the time minimum, we use this formula TL divided by A max under root. Why A max? Simple logic, Mr. Puneet. Yenilla? You got it. Very good. Simple logic, sir. Yenilla alli. ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸೈ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು ಮಂಕಿ ಬೇಗ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. So what is the formula to find out T minimum? T minimum can be calculated by using formula under root of 2L by A max. Martoida, don't take tension. This is T minimum. Martoida, don't take tension. Monkey problem solve ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ S is equal to UD plus half at square use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Monkey time ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ S is equal to UD plus half at square use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Right? UD plus half at
UT plus half at square, can you use A instead of A max?
Yes, I have used A max over here. A max I use money.
So we can use A also.
Tension ಇದು ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ, ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡು. T ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ A max ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If I want to climb the rope faster, my acceleration should be maximum. I'm calculating the minimum time, Tanisha. If I want to calculate the minimum time, my acceleration should be faster. My acceleration should be maximum.
Yes, sir, got
So
it.
why UD is 0, sir? You have cancelled UD. Why, sir? In S is equal to half. Yes, sir, there.
E is 0. U is equal to 0. Initial velocity of the monkey is 0.
Okay, sir.
Initial velocity of the monkey is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So I cancel it out with 0. Right. Very good. Any doubt related to this? Shall we want to solve a problem based on this? Simple problem ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು an advanced problem in this. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೂಪರ್. Problem number 1 related to a monkey climbing up. Monkey going up. As shown in the figure. This is the figure. A rope of length 4 meter. Length of rope is 4 meter. Monkey is climbing up. The mass of monkey. Monkey again laughing monkey. Monkey is climbing up. The mass of this monkey is 20 kg. Idu ತರ monkey 20 kg. Mass of the monkey is 20 kg. The tension in this, the maximum tension, breaking tension, TB is equals to 220 Newton. 220 Newton. TB is equals to 220 Newton. TB is equals to 220 Newton. Question is there. as shown in figure, breaking tension of rope is breaking tension of rope is 220 Newton. 220 Newton. Come on, find out minimum time. Find out minimum time in which monkey can climb the rope. Find out the minimum time in which monkey can climb the rope. So what you will do? First step in Martira. What you will do? We have to find out an acceleration. Maximum acceleration by yes, super. We have to find out maximum acceleration. How to find out an acceleration? TB is in this direction, 220. No doubt in this. When force is acting here, one force is acting reverse. 20 G is equals to 10 through. G is equals to 10 meter per second square. G1. G is acting reverse, so 20 into 10, 200. 200. I have to find out the maximum acceleration. Chalana wala force 220 minus opposing force 200 is equals to mass of monkey is 20 into A max barutta ille. A max barutta because I have taken the tension is breaking tension. I've taken the tension as breaking tension. Therefore, A max barutta. What happens here? 20 is equals to 20 A max. Therefore, A max is equals to 1. A max is equals to 1 meter per second square. Super. I got the A max value. Then I have to find out the minimum time. To find out the minimum time, if you forget the formula, don't take tension. S is equals to UD plus RT square. Don't take tension. X is equal to UD plus RT square. A max.
So we can use directly the formula too, right, sir?
What one?
The formula T max is equal to root 2L by A max.
You can use that. That is what I am trying to derive that. If you forget the formula, T square is equal to under root of 2L by A max, forget our range martila exams are it. So we'll go with the basic step.
Okay, sir.
Right? So this will be 0. This is equals to what they have given 4 40 there. They have given it as 4 is equals to half into A max. I just now got an answer for this 1 into T square. So this is 8 is equals to T square. Therefore, T is equal to under root of 8. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Correct? I'll bring this 2 out. 2 into root 2. Second. 2 into root 2 second. Or else if you remember the formula direct, T minimum is equals to under root of 2 times of L divided by A max. Under root of 2 into 4 divided by A max is 1. 4 2 root 2. You got the same. Again, tell one time we will forget the formula in the examination. Correct? We will forget the formula. T is equal to under root of 12 by A max. We will go with the general formula. Don't take any sense. How much time it will take? It will take less time to calculate here. So simple idea. What they ask? What they may change in this? What they may change here? They may change the number. Instead of 220, they may give 420. They may give 20 kg. Instead of 20, they may give 30 kg. Value change nothing they can change. They cannot change the concept behind this. They can change the number. Shall we move to a very good question based on monkey? Monkey का लोग सकारात्मक the question ना अनु comment मारेगा. Rise hand ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಬಹುದು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸಗದಾಗಿದೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೋದು ರೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೋದು ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಸಹ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಂತೀರಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ I have a pulley, a बढ़िया problem अंतिम, a strong problem in monkey problem and a strong problem with the problem with this kind of questions will appear. Very good, important and the important and the this is thread connected to a Nile. Nile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ನೈಲ್ ಹೊಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ. Right? So it is connected to a tied to a Nile. Nile connect ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ and it is put into a ಭೂಮಿ. Nylon thread. No, nylon thread ಅಲ್ಲ. I'm not taking a nylon thread. It Nile. So something is put inside the earth and it is tied to that. Thread is tied to that. Tent ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. So tent ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಕಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ. Right, one end is connected like this and other end is hang like this. ಈ ಕಡೆ hang ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, monkey is climbing now. It up. Fine. ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಮಂಕಿ ಬೇಜಾರಿ and it is climbing now. Climbing ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The length of this is 5 meter. The length of this is 5 meter. Either length 5 meter. And of course, either length ಕೂಡ 5 meter. This side also it will be having 5 meter. 5 meter. So tension in the rope is ಅನ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. They have given a different way. ನೋಡೋಣ. This is a diagram. ಬರೀತೀನಿ. As shown in diagram, as shown in figure. Very important. ಈ problem ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ you can do any problem related to a monkey. As shown in diagram, monkey of mass 20 kg. Monkey of mass 20 kg. Monkey of mass 20 kg. Climb up the rope. Climbs up the rope. Climbs up the rope 5 meter long. 5 meter long. In minimum time. In minimum time. Given that other end of rope is grounded via hook. When vertical force on hook exceeds 300 root 2 Newton, it comes out off the ground. Calculate minimum time. Calculate the minimum time such that hook does not comes out of the ground. Such that hook does not comes out of the ground. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ what they have given, what you have to calculate. Hook does not comes out of the ground. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. They have given diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ the angle between this is 45. The angle between this is 45. Right? Diagram sorry, question ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬೇಗ 2 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ. 2 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. As shown in the figure, monkey of mass 20 kg. Monkey mass ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 kg ಇದೆ. So the diagrammatic former ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. 20 kg. Climb up the rope of 5 meter. 5 meter length. Climb up the rope of 5 meter long. In minimum time. Minimum time means acceleration is maximum. Minimum time means acceleration should be maximum. So minimum time. Given that other end of the rope is connected via hook, grounding with hook. When vertical force on a hook is exceeded, vertical force is vertical force on this. This vertical force is equals to 300 root 2. 300 root 2. 300 root 2. It comes out of the ground. And the vertical force is applied, it will comes out of the ground. It will comes out of the ground. Vertical force is applied, it will comes out of the ground. Calculate the minimum time. Calculate the minimum time. Calculate the minimum time such that the hooks does not come out of this. Other hook that means the maximum breaking ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Correct tension, breaking tension ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Breaking tension is this much in vertical direction. Vertical direction ಇದೆ. So we have to resolve that ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇದೆ. Resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 300 root 2 cos 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? theta ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, cos theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cos 45 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 ನಾ?
Yes, sir, 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, fine. No problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ cos 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin cos 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So they have given T cos 45 degree is equals to 300 root 2 particular. Correct? The tension which is in this direction is equals to T cos 45 degree is equal to 300 root 2. I can find out the tension with the help of this. T into 1 by root 2 is equals to 300 into root 2 na. Therefore T is equals to 300 into root 2 into root 2. 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 300 will become 600 Newton is the breaking stress. Tension, breaking tension ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ 600 ಬಂತು. Correct? 600 breaking ಬಂತು. In which direction it will be? It will be in this direction. 600. ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 600. So weight of this will be equals to 200 in downward direction. Weight of this is equal to 200 in downward direction. So I can find out an acceleration with the help of this. 600 minus 200 is equals to 20 into A max. So let's bರುತ್ತೆ 300 is equals to 20 into A max. 400 400. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ A max is equals to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 20 meter per second square. I got the A max value. They gave 45 degrees, sir. Yes, sir. They have given 45 degree. They have given 45 degree. They have given 45 degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ T cos 45 degree should be equals to 300 root 2 na. Horizontal ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In this direction T cos 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. T cos 45 should be equals to 300 root 2. So with the help of that I found the tension. So next time ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ I have to find out the minimum time. To find out the minimum time, I have a formula T minimum is equals to under root of 2 times of L divided by A max. 2 times of L divided by A max. Length ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 5 meter, ಇದು 5 meter. Totally length ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 meter length. So therefore 2 times of 10 divided by 20. So comes out with 1 second. Comes out with 1 second. Comes out with 1 second. Doubt is here.
We tell that both the ropes are equal in length.
They are equal. They are given in diagram. As shown in the diagram. In diagram they are given 5 plus 5.
Okay, sir.
So with the help of diagram only we have to calibrate. Simple things, sir. Simple thing. We can calibrate within a minute. ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. T cos 45 should be equals to 300 root 2. T cos 45 should be equal to 300 root 2. With that I can find out tension. So tension will be created in this direction. E direction is the tension. Tension will be created in this direction. 600 minus 200 is equals to 20. So therefore A max is equal to 20. So if I know A max, I can find out T minimum. The length of the rope is given. The length of the rope is 10. 5 plus 5. ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 300 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. 600 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 300 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಟಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಟಿ ಕಾಸ್ 45 should be equal to 300 ರೂಟ್ 2. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು we will take this as that. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್, 300 into root 2, 300 root 2 into cos 45 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದಂಗೆ 300 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, if vertical ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can take that one only.
ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.